love, in this video I'm going to show you how I revamped this client's wig right here. So it came in crusty and needing to be refreshed and washed. So the first thing I did was to get the hair wet. I poured the water on the hair, and next what I'm going to do is just transfer the wig to a bowl, because I just want to just contain all the what is going on inside of this bowl. So I poured more water into that bowl. Then next I'm going to use my shampoo, which is the Tresemme Silky and Smooth shampoo. Pour a generous amount to the wig and use my hands to start spreading the shampoo all over the entire hair, and also trying to wash the hair in the process of spreading the shampoo all over. Because of course, let's say something is dirty and you put shampoo which is supposed to be foamy, soapy, it's going to start taking out the dust that is trapped in the thing that you're putting the shampoo inside. And in this case, we're talking about hair. So with the process of me just dipping the hair into the water with the shampoo, it's taking out all the dirt that's in it, and I applied a little bit more of that shampoo to the closure area, the upper part of the wig that has the wig cap on it, just to ensure that I get to wash that part of the wig as well. Then you just see me take water and sort of spread it to the up part, and use my fingers to run through the hair from the up part or to the tip of the hair to just take out the dirt. Then next what I'm going to do is to pour the water away and reintroduce new water after I've applied this other shampoo right here. You can stick with just one particular shampoo, but I decided to use that shampoo that has biotin in it. So I poured water in there and I kept on washing the hair. And you notice that the hair is no longer as dirty as it was in the first wash. So I applied more of that shampoo and I kept on washing the hair. And when I'm pleased with how well the dirt has been released from the hair, what I'm going to do is just to sort of try and squeeze out the water from the hair and pour it out and rinse the hair off. So I'm going to pour this water out. You can see it's still a little bit dirty. So what I did, I decided to do was just to wash it for the last time around. So I went back to the Tresemme Silky and Smooth shampoo, and then I just started to massage shampoo all over the hair from the tip, and I'll also take it all the way to the top as well. And you notice that the shampoo is really foaming very well, and that's what happens when you're washing hair that's quite clean. If you're washing hair that's very dirty, it might not foam much because the hair is very dirty. But when you're washing hair that is some sort of clean, the shampoo tends to foam a lot more. So after washing, I'm going to just pour water to help rinse out the shampoo from the hair, and I'm going to keep on rinsing it until the water is sort of clear. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from this channel, our channel here on YouTube. And also, if you haven't purchased my ebooks, hair extensions and how to test its quality, how to start your hair business ebooks, these ebooks are available on my website, and it's also available on Amazon. Just check the link in the description box. You'll find links to purchase them. Next, I'm going to moisturize the hair using my conditioner. I'm applying a Tresemme Silk Rich Moisture Conditioner. You can see the quantity I applied on the hair after I rinsed it off. I'm just using my hand to spread the conditioner all over the hair from the lower parts of the hair, and for the upper parts I can go back to the conditioner bottle and reapply more of the conditioner for the hair on the top of the wig. That's the closure area. Yeah, so I just applied more of that shampoo there, and I just used my hand to spread it all over the top of the wig. Then next what I'm going to do is to apply my keratin treatment, and I'm using this one right here from, I don't even know the name of the brand, but that's the one I'm using. It's called the Argan Oil Magic Complex. It's a keratin treatment. So I just took a generous amount and applied it all over the hair from the top all the way to the tip of the hair, and I'm using my hand to spread it all over. When it comes to deep conditioners, keratin treatments, there are a wide range of options you can choose from in the market. Just invest in getting any good one, and it's just to help make your hair more healthy and luscious. You can see how the hair looks really healthy right now after I applied that deep conditioner on it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to let that deep conditioner sit in the hair, and then I'm going to rinse off the hair, air dry it, and show you what it looks like after I dried it. So this is what the hair looks like after I dried it. You can obviously see that the curls look a lot more healthy, unlike how it looked originally. But one thing is that the curls are sort of dropping. So what I want to do now is just to style the closure area first. So I'm using my T-pin to clean out the parts to ensure that the pattern of the closure area is straight. So after clearing the closure area, what I'm going to do next is apply my hair wax to the hair on the closure area. Then I'm also going to spray my heat protectant spray, which is this one from the Argan Oil Delofil. Yeah, it's from Delofil. Just use any heat protectant spray that you have. And next, I'm using my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area, while I just use that small comb to comb through the hair. After flattening the hair around the closure area, what I'm going to do next is to start styling the rest of the wig. Yeah, but just take your time to ensure that you get the hair around the closure area to lay as flat as possible, but don't extend it downwards, so you don't straighten the curls that's supposed to be on the hair. So I'm using this container right here. I'm applying my leave-in conditioner to the container. I'm also applying the styling mousse, just a very small quantity, to the container. I'm also going to apply this anti-Jackie's Coil Lala leave-in conditioner. So I applied all these products into that container. There was a product I forgot to add right now. So after I finish shaking it, after I've shaked it very well, and I start to spray the products all over the wig. And what I'm basically doing is just to ensure that I sort of apply those leave-in conditioner treatments, the styling moods, to help define the curls on this hair and get it to look exactly how it looked like when the hair was brand new without being combed. So along the line, I remember there was something I forgot to add, which is actually my castor oil, because when I was washing the hair, I didn't add any oil to the hair. So I'm going to go back and apply castor oil to the bottle and then get back to styling the hair. But let's just keep on doing this for now. We'll get to that part very soon. So I kept on spraying the water. I use this spray bottle, just spraying the mixture of those products that I put inside, which is water, leave-in conditioner, anti-Jackie's Coil Lala leave-in conditioner, and this is the castor oil I said I forgot to add initially. So I'm going to add very small quantity of the castor oil into that bottle and continue shaking it. And of course, my styling mousse, I also use very little styling mousse inside of the mixture. So I'm just going to spray the entire everything that is inside this bottle. I'm going to spray it all over this entire wig, because I want the hair to get back to being completely wet. I want the hair to be drenched with the water and the products that are inside of this bottle, just to ensure that I really get to define the curls very well and the hair keeps on looking healthy and nice. Let's say my client doesn't want to wash this hair for, let's say, another 1 month to 2 months. It's fine. All she needs to do is just pour water on it and then brush through it without needing to apply any product. So now that I've completely drenched the hair, you notice that what I'm doing is just to brush through the hair. And if it seems like there's an area that hasn't gotten the lot of products on it or needs more moisture, I'm just going to go back to that bottle and spray more of the product on that area, while I continue using that small powder brush to brush through the hair. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you like it and share with somebody who's also going to get value out of it. Yeah, so do you think my videos are too long? You're somebody that left a comment recently saying my videos are too long, that I should try and make it a little bit shorter. Do you think my videos are too long? Let me know in the comment section. Though also considering, I'm actually becoming tired of filming videos on YouTube. I am beginning to lose interest in it. Yeah, I think I'm beginning to lose interest in it. I'm thinking that I might just do more talking videos than all these hair videos, because honestly, editing these videos is a lot of work. I think I want to start doing more of teaching videos, like actually talking, than showing, because the showing videos, you take days to record it, and then you also have to take time to also edit it before you put it out there. So it's one thing for you to be struggling to do something, and then somebody else is coming to complain that this thing you're doing, it's too long. It's sort of like a struggle, So I don't know. I think I'll just weigh my options. If I feel like I don't want to do this anymore, I'll probably just stop sharing my videos. Even if I'm still doing this for clients behind the scene, I just wouldn't share the videos on YouTube anymore, but I'll probably just share more talking videos. But I don't know, let me just see how things go. Yeah, so I used my diffuser, that's the hand dryer, I use that diffuser part to just help dry the hair. And the reason why I'm using this hand dryer is just to ensure that I get the coals to sort of be scrunched up, because if I dried the hair without this diffuser, you notice that the curls would just be dropping like how it was when I finished air drying it. But the reason why I'm using the diffuser is just to ensure that the curls are more crunched up, and the hair doesn't look as long as it looks when the curls are drooping down. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but the diffuser just helps the hair look fuller and the curls more defined. So this is what it looks like. So I just went and put it outside on my balcony to just ensure that it dries completely. And this is what we started with initially, and this is what we are ending with. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section your thoughts and give me feedback on if you actually like my videos, or if I should continue putting them on YouTube or I should shorten them. Just let me know in the comment section. Regardless, thank you so much for watching. Remember, people, have a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love.